Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to see all your friends on Roblox, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the updated steps to view your entire friends list, quickly and easily, right from your mobile device. Whether you're looking to reconnect with an old friend, or just want to see who's online, these steps will help you find everyone in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features. Once you're in, look towards the bottom of your screen. You'll see a row of icons. Tap on the three dots icon, which is labeled More. This will open up a new menu with several options. Next, you'll want to tap on the Friends icon. This is where you can manage your friend requests, see who you're following, and of course, view your friends list. But to make sure you're seeing everyone, there's one more step. At the top of your friends page, you'll notice a filter icon. It looks like a little funnel. Go ahead and tap on that. A menu will pop up with different filter options. To view all your friends, simply select the option that says All. Then, tap Apply. That's it. Now you'll see a complete list of all your friends on Roblox, no matter how many you have. You can scroll through the list, check out their profiles, send messages, or invite them to play your favorite games. If you ever want to narrow down your list again, just use the filter icon to sort by online friends, followers, or any other category you like. But for now, enjoy having your entire friends list right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. See you in the next video.